step into the Chevrolet 2019 Colorado 4W DLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: tow haul mode, rear axle 3.42 ratio, engine 3.6 LDDOHC 5.6 VVT, 308 horsepower, 230.0 kilowatts at 6,800 RPMs, 275 pounds-ft of torque, 373 Nm, at 4,000 RPMs, STD. Tires P255/65 R17 all-season black wall, STD. Seats front bucket, STD. Wheels 17 inches x 8, 43.2 cm x 20.3 cm. Blade silver metallic cast aluminum, STD. Tire spare P265/70 R16 all-season black